Welcome back to my channel. If you've ever dreamed of exploring the open road in something big, bold, and beautifully built for comfort, Toyota just made that dream a reality. Introducing the all-new 2026 Toyota Motorhome Camper Bus, a full-sized luxury RV that combines Toyota's legendary reliability with cutting-edge design, technology, and unbelievable space. At first glance, this isn't your typical motorhome, built on Toyota's Coaster or Grand Villa platform. It's been stretched, elevated, and refined into a complete mobile living experience. Sleek aerodynamic lines, panoramic windows, and bold LED lighting give it a futuristic presence that demands attention. Under the hood, Toyota has equipped it with a 3.5-liter hybrid engine, producing around 310 horsepower with an electric assist system. The result? Smooth, quiet power delivery and impressive fuel efficiency. Whether you're cruising down coastal highways or tackling mountain roads, step inside and you're instantly transported into a world of comfort and class. This isn't a van. It's a luxury home on wheels. You'll find a spacious living lounge with a plush sofa, a smart dining booth, a fold-out queen bed, and a modern L-shaped kitchen, complete with an induction cooktop, refrigerator, sink, and microwave. The tall ceiling and wide panoramic windows make the space feel open, airy, and full of light, perfect for long trips or cozy nights. Tech lovers are in for a treat. The smart control system lets you manage lighting, climate, and entertainment right from a touchscreen or mobile app. There's Wi-Fi connectivity, USB-C ports everywhere, and a premium surround sound system for the ultimate travel experience. And yes, solar panels on the roof keep your home powered off-grid, so you can explore without limits. Even the bathroom feels like something out of a boutique hotel. With a separate shower and toilet, modern fixtures, and even an outdoor shower option for beach days or muddy adventures. Starting at around $125,000, the 2026 Toyota Camper Bus is perfect for families, digital nomads, or anyone chasing the freedom of the open road without giving up space, style, or comfort. So, would you take this rolling sanctuary on your next adventure? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more amazing motorhome tours and reviews right here on my channel.